So in this video, making a fin of this SolidWorks, and after making the CAD model, we will be using the CAD model in NSYS Workbench for steady state thermal analysis and transient thermal analysis. So first, let's make make this fan in SolidWorks, and now we are moving to the SolidWorks. Click on part. Okay. Select front plane and take make any rectangle and tick. You can do smart dimensioning. Says 3. Let's click. You can do it 22. Check this is 3. Now let's boss extrude and let's type. I think 25 would be enough. Take 25. Enter. Enter. This is your this. So the distance. Sorry. Let's pick. Check. Sketch. If you are watching my video, you can also comment what should I do next, or what problem you need to solve that I can solve for you. Let's connect the fin from the surface. Okay, let's delete the extra. Let's feature and six. There are six, three millimeter from here and 3 millimeter from here, and 2 millimeter apart. Let's take this is your. This is the fin you is used to improve heat transfer. That's all from my side. And now in the next video, what I will be doing is I will be doing the FE analysis on inches of this fin transfer, how it transfers heat. Okay, let's save it.